Hi friends, good evening. If we see in the world, there are some people who are destined to succeed, but there are some people who are determined to success. And we fall into the second category. And we are the dynamic entrepreneurs of Business Opportunities Club. And Business Opportunities Club is a fantastic platform for established entrepreneurs to go to next level. Here we come together, we ideate together, we grow together. And our mission is to create big success stories. And today I'm so very happy to present to you one of our dynamic ladies. And she has created a fantastic business, and who is none other than Tanuja Rane. Welcome, Tanuja.
Good evening, Rohit sir.
Yes. So Tanuja is the interior designer, and I'm so very happy to tell you that she is a gold medalist. And today she caters to high-profile clients, do their interiors at home. And one of the stories that I have heard from her, that she has one client who has given her 7 assignments in last, I think, 10 or 15 years. And that's how the kind of client base she has created and the trust in people's mind she has created. So Tanuja, once again, welcome to this platform. And
Thank you.
please tell us about your business first, your business model.
Yeah. Hi everyone. I'm Tanuja Rane. I'm founder of multi-award winning and luxury interior designing company Tanuja and Associates. Tanuja and Associates is the luxury interior designing company for last 22 years. And we help our clients to design their luxury spaces like large apartments, bungalows, corporate offices, hotels, and salons and spa. I'm proud to say that we are the only Indian company which has been nominated for the International Design and Architecture Award twice, that is in 2018 and 2019,
Fantastic,
which was held
Tanuja.
in London.
I must congratulate you for that.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
And we offer designing consultancy as well as turnkey solution to our clients. And it becomes one point contact for our clients. And our USP is luxury within given time and within given budget.
This is so very important because Tanuja, I know so many interior designers, I know so many of my people, and they always complain about this thing that when an interior designer comes home, he never goes out. It's like a perpetual thing, and the budget goes on increasing like never before, and that is the biggest trouble which you are handling. So that is phenomenal.
Yes.
So Tanuja, if we look at the business in a modern way, see, businesses thrive on a specific purpose.
Yes.
So what is your core purpose of your business?
Our core purpose is upgrading lifestyle for happiness. We are working on this core purpose only. So my favorite aspect of being an interior designer is seeing the joy and happiness on my client's face. When they see the transformation of spaces, that's something I have created. It's life changing for them as well as for me. So it is always give happiness to our clients and for us.
This is super, Tanuja, because see, happiness is so very important. People can create a fantastic interiors. They are like classy, but if you're creating happiness, because that is all the more important for any family to thrive on. And friend, I'm so happy to see that. If you can just see the background, Tanuja is sitting in their new house, and you can see the quality of the interior that she has created for herself. So if she can create for herself, she can definitely create for other people also. Tanuja, every business, the important aspect of any business is the customers. And people have large customer base, and then we need to manage those customers. So what is the process of customer management that you follow specifically?
Actually, in our customer management, what happens, this interior designing process goes on for 4 months or 6 months or 8 months, depending upon the size of the project. And within this process, what happens, we become the client become our friends. So and we always try to retain this friendship. And this way, we have got more than 200 clients who are now turn out to be our friends now. So this way, we always try to maintain our clients to become our friends.
Fantastic, Tanuja. I think because of this quality of yours, you don't have to go out to look for new customers. I think your
Yeah.
customer who have turned to be your friends, they only must be recommending to you, and
Yeah.
that's how you must be getting a lot of business.
Yeah, we always get business through references only. So
Fantastic,
yeah,
fantastic. So everybody who does business has something unique to offer. So
Yeah.
what is your value proposition to your customers?
See, we always look into that. We offer clients high quality and unique design and space utilization. So our target audience is all owners in high-end complexes in Mumbai and Pune who want unique, comfortable, and good design, luxury
And
design.
and where every inch counts.
Yeah, every inch counts. True.
Yes.
And we are also looking forward for we are also looking forward to the cities like Nashik, Nagpur, Aurangabad, and Jalgaon. So to extend our services now.
Fantastic. So what kind of prospective clients you look for? So who's your target audience? Can you just elaborate who's your target audience?
See, our target audiences are these only high-end clientele in high-end complexes, and we are now shifted to Lodha Park Worli. So we
So
are
you shifted your residence from Borivali
yeah,
Kandivali to. That's a
yeah,
fantastic
Kandivali to
move.
Worli. Yeah,
That's a fantastic move.
yeah. So we are looking forward to cater the owners of this society, and a lot many clients we will get in this complex only. We are looking forward to this.
So Tanuja, being in BOC, you have experienced that our enthusiasm, our spirit, our commitment, our determination has not at all dampened during the lockdown period. In fact, we
Yes.
discussed a lot of things during the period, and then we got into collaboration, we got into ties, we created new ideas.
Yeah.
So given that, what are your plans and goals for next 3 years?
See, we have decided and we have planned to complete 20 high-end projects and 50 budget projects in the span of 3 years.
Fantastic. And anything particular you want to say? Any specific project you want to do?
We are looking for the celebrity projects. Means we want to do celebrities residences.
So Tanuja, everybody succeeds because of some secret, some mantra, some principle. So
Yes.
what is your one-line secret mantra? Can you reveal that
Yeah.
so that other can also get inspired about it?
Yes. My success mantra is visualize your bright future and focus on it. Then success will be yours.
Fantastic, Tanuja. In fact, now everybody is in the lockdown, and I have seen many people whose enthusiasm is dampened. But if they listen to this, they are definitely going to get charged. So, Tanuja, thank you very much. You shared
Thank
all
you,
your
sir.
views fantastically, and this is going to inspire a lot of people. So, friends, this is what we do in BOC. Business Opportunities Club is always, full of energy, full of knowledge, and full of collaboration. And we support each other to grow. And our mission is to create big success stories. So, if you're an ambitious entrepreneur and really want to go to next level, please join us. Look forward to see you. Thank you very much. Tanuja, once again, thank you very much.
Thank you, Rohit sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye.